Watch this, guys. No hands, no feet, just pure, unadulterated squirrel talent. Whoa, whoa.
That was great, Sammy! But behold! Check out my brand new, ultra-spectacular triple hop! Ta-da! Whoa! Ah! Ha ha ha! Oh my goodness! You look like a wet, muddy potato! Ha ha ha! That was the absolute worst hop ever! Ha 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 ha! Pip? Wait, I didn't mean to. Oh no, what did I do?
Help! I'm stuck! Is anyone out there? Please, help! I can't move!
Hold on, Sammy! I've got you! Just wiggle your tail! 1, 2, 3, pull! Pip, you helped me? After how mean I was to you? I am so sorry for laughing at you. It was horrible of me, and I felt so guilty. Can you... Of course I forgive you, Sammy. Friends look out for each other, no matter what.
Never again, Pip. Way better than a laugh.
Now that is what I call a truly happy ending.